Oh.
What the fuck? What's up? You straight? You straight? Go ahead, bro. You good? Nah, let me call you back, Shaw. This nigga just walked up behind me and then go moan and shit.
Oh.
You're kind of cute, actually. I can take you back and buy some tea for you. Make you feel relaxed. I can even show you what's underneath my bed.
Oh.
Are you okay? What are you doing?
What the fuck? What the heck, dude? I'm shopping. I got 2 hours of sleep. 2 hours of sleep. And they were in my car, so then that's not even real sleep. It was at a park and ride. And no. Dude. What's your problem, buddy? What's your problem? Are you okay? Do you need me to call someone?
Puppy?
No. Okay. Yeah, go away. Go away.
Hi, Mama.
Oh.
What the fuck? Hey, dude, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? Like, for reals? Oh, you want to play like that? Good. Check this out, homie. Just sit on you.
No.
Here it comes.
What the?
What happened, man? What are you doing in my head? Huh?
Oh.
What's the matter? Yes?
What's wrong with you, bro? You want to go? Do you want to go?
Oh, Papi.